So after releasing the Oukitel WP50, Oukitel is coming up with another rugged phone very soon, and it's called the Oukitel WP39. This device is very similar to the WP50 in terms of specs, but appearance very different. Anyway, the WP39 is not really bad. Some of its top features are reviewed, and they include a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with Gorilla Glass protection. The device utilizes up to 24 GB RAM and it has 256 GB internal storage. Having in mind that the base RAM is 8 GB, guys, so you can actually expand this RAM up to 24 GB thanks to its virtual RAM expansion feature. The device features a triple rear camera setup with a 64MP Sony IMX682 primary sensor, while the remaining sensors are yet to be disclosed. Additionally, the device packs a large 11,000 mAh battery and it supports 18 watts, just 18 watts fast charging. A much more faster 33 watts would have been better in my opinion. So just like the Oukitel WP35 and the Oukitel WP50, this device is also powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus, which in my opinion isn't entirely bad. This also means that the Oukitel WP39 is a 5G device. So the phone has a thickness of 14.9mm and it is expected to have a weight of about 350 grams. The WP39 would launch perhaps towards the ending of June, I don't know, but there's no official release date yet. But once I get the release date of the Oukitel WP39, I'll let you guys know. And also this device ships with the latest Android 14. The device would be available in 2 colorways, including green and black, and it is expected to be very cheap as well, although there is no official price yet. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Oukitel WP39? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.